literally right now driving the car to the dealer. This is the dashboard. I had to wiggle it around to get it started. It has some bad connections that I tried, did what I could, soldered the posts and everything else. It didn't work. Then I ended up buying a used one, and the dealer said they'll be able to reprogram it to the original vehicle. Say I don't have no electric, nothing. My hazards are blinking, and yeah, no power whatsoever. I just got this in, wiggled it a little bit, and the vehicle started. So I'm taking it to the dealership right now to get that other cluster panel programmed into it. I will post that video, and if it's successful, if not, either way I'm going to post that, so to let you know whether or not this procedure is solve the issue or not. Until then, please subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section, hit the like button and the bell so you get the notification of a new update of this little issue here. Until then, talk to you guys all later.